Hi everyone! Today I want to show you some clips from my recent vlog post from Patreon. In this vlog post, I am sharing my daily painting plan and painting process. I am also sharing how I keep my finished and dried paintings flat and straight. View the full vlog post at my Patreon. Before the vlog clips video, let me show you my recent Patreon posts. The supermoon painting is 11 by 15. I used Sumiyo ink for that dark silhouette of pine trees. You can learn how I work on that wet on wet to express the beautiful moonlight and also how to use Sumiyo ink with watercolor painting. The blog post from February 13th shares how I package and ship a small framed painting. The method is my original idea. This protects the painting without fail. Now, let's watch my latest vlog clips together. Hi everyone, I want to show you the goals for that daily painting. I have a list of things that I want to accomplish. This is what I'm doing today. Here is my like reference pictures from my previous paintings or the photographs I collected. I was thinking this one. Sometimes simple painting is harder to make it appealing. With the paper, even the moisture, and very saturated because that's what I want to express. The blue water ripple, like a kind of this that reflects there. Yellow doesn't bother orange or green, so I just go, even though that painting it doesn't express so much yellow, I just go for that and kind of gives brightness everywhere, and going for where the bright colors, even the reflections, just mix that red into the previous color. I'm gonna add alizarin crimson to get this beautiful red. And since there's a really passionate red there, I should have kind of repeat on the reflection. I'll just do a little bit of purple on where the red is. And then there's a lot of green up here. And then green and blue goes well together so it can overlap without desaturation. Like Gauguin, you know, have heightens a color, don't have to be realistic. Well, that paper is wet. It gives such a beautiful wet on wet blur. Orange and red, one sideway. The paper is getting dry, so just having a little more water and just go through it. Thinking of some colors. Up here is more orange, dark oranges. I'll splatter saturated color, and I'll splatter a little more here too, because this is the main saturation for oranges and red. Just don't want that line. I want to have form instead of like a shape instead of line. I'm gonna scrape with some line. Of course, the reflection. Give dark edges. I'll call it done, and then if I see something tomorrow morning, I'll fix it. I wanted to show you the finished work and also like how this curled up. People wonder how I keep my paper straight. I just go like gently bend, not folding. I'm not making any damage on a paper, but just rolling back. I can even do like this way all the paper. See the difference? Let me show you place I can store to make it straighter. Big board underneath the bunch of paintings, and it'll be better to have evenly spread out so the weight distributes evenly. I like the outcome, and I enjoyed it, and I would do it again when I have a chance in a bigger format or smaller format. I hope you enjoy my thought process, painting process, and daily plan. Hope you can get inspired and get your daily plans set up and progress with your painting. Thank you. Have fun painting.